Wow. Petey, what the fuck?
Shots fired again.
Like that monkey with the fucking vending machine just trying to
But
slam
that's
the RAM
the
in there.
last fucking time Petey air cleans his fucking motherboard out.
Holding the can upside down and shit. I got this!
White shit comes out.
Oh.
Hey guys,
I'll just freeze the dust off
Hey.
it. That's a good idea.
Tyler?
Quiet.
Right, Tyler.
there, the loot just spawned on top of the industrial that you guys just came from. About 6 dumpsters just spawned in, so.
I say you check those and then you get the fuck out of there.
Yeah.
I'll just crack it and knock the ice off with the dust.
What the fuck, dude?
It's all fun
Baby.
and games till we start dying.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just
Yeah.
take a damp paper towel and wipe it down real quick.
Quick, baby powder.
Just until so.
Petey, do you have carpet in your apartment?
Yep.
Did you do it on the carpet?
Were you wearing
Hey.
socks and like
Nope.
happening to
Wait
rub
a minute,
your
hold
feet
on.
the
Did
carpet
he
and
just
then touching
break-
the rim?
Did you just break his new motherboard?
It was defective, but yes.
Raz, there's
Wait,
3
the
on top.
one you ordered for the one you fucked up before.
No. I didn't
Oh,
get that
okay.
one yet.
I almost said Petey was dragging his sock to feet across the ground while he was changing the shit.
Oh,
shit.
god.
I know what I'll do. I'll restart the computer with static electricity.
Clear.
Just needs a jump, that's all.
Oh man.
Babe, get my cables.
Somebody needs to take and animate this into a little cartoon.
Yeah, seriously, somebody needs to shadow play this.